Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to uninstall WhatsApp from Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! So, there are actually many ways in which you can uninstall certain application, and I think I will try to get into every single one of them. First, you can simply go into your app drawer, and here you should see our WhatsApp, and now we can press and hold onto the WhatsApp icon and then go into uninstall. We can choose to keep the data that's coming from the application, and then you can hit OK. This is the first way of uninstalling any application, and I believe that this is the fastest one. The other one, well, it requires you to open your Play Store, and then you can search for the application you want to uninstall, in our case WhatsApp. As you can see, we have the information that it is indeed installed on our device right now, and we can hit uninstall in order to uninstall it. Alternatively, if you don't know how the application is called, but you still want to get rid of it, we can enter the profile icon in the top right corner. Then we can manage apps and on this device, and we can go into manage. Here we have all our different applications, and you can fully just scroll down through each and every one of them. So you can try to search for WhatsApp here. As you can see, it's here, WhatsApp Messenger. We can click the checkbox, and then we can click the trash bin icon, which will also uninstall the application. And finally, as the last way for you to uninstall applications, we can head into our settings directly, not the Google settings, the device settings. Then enter applications, which should be right here near the bottom. We should now be able to scroll down and search for our WhatsApp. Also, we can note how many more applications we actually see comparing to Google Play Store. You want to click the application you want to uninstall, and finally you can hit uninstall. And once again, you should be prompted with question if you want to keep the app data, if the application itself has some data. So let's hit OK. And yeah, that was all 3 or even 4 ways for you to uninstall application, in our case WhatsApp. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.